Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 7th, 2025, our system has classified Apple as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 1.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 3.69%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.74% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 9.96% and 24.12%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 43.69% over the next 12 months, with a potential return falling between 37.82% and 61.71%. This corresponds to a price range of $321.51 to $377.23 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price ended at $233.28 on Tuesday after losing 0.478%. The Apple stock price fell by 0.478% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, dropping from $234.40 to $233.28. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.57%, ranging from a low of $232.47 to a high of $236.12. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.73% during this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which often indicates a healthy market trend, as volume typically follows stock price movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 10 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $9.07 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $260.09, while the lowest price reached $164.08. Currently, the price is 10.31%, or $26.81, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is navigating a challenging landscape, as recent data indicates a marked decline in its global market share, especially as Chinese smartphone brands gain traction. IDC reported a 2.4% increase in global smartphone shipments in the last quarter, raising concerns about Apple's competitiveness in the smartphone sector. This situation could adversely affect its stock price in both the short and long term. Additionally, a tribunal ruling has allowed Apple and Amazon to fend off a $600 million lawsuit in the United Kingdom regarding alleged collusion. While this may offer some immediate relief, the scrutiny from this litigation could continue to weigh on investor sentiment, potentially impacting stock performance. In terms of strategic developments, Apple is aligning itself with other tech leaders to advance next-generation artificial intelligence data center technology. This move may bolster its long-term growth prospects, particularly as demand for AI solutions escalates. However, market fluctuations are being closely monitored, as notable figures like Jim Lebenthal are trimming their positions in Apple, reflecting growing caution among advisors. The stock has already suffered a significant downturn of about 10% since December, with analysts warning of a further decline into correction territory, potentially falling to around $207. Amid these challenges, Apple is being closely watched by investors, as pressures from declining iPhone sales and evolving regulatory environments in Europe add further complexity to its operational outlook. Overall, these developments suggest that while Apple remains a key player in the tech world, its stock may continue to face volatility as it adapts to an increasingly competitive marketplace. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple Inc. a underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson assigned Apple Inc. a sell rating with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Apple Inc. an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Apple Inc. an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Apple Inc. an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Apple stock is generating sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, resistance is expected at $239.69 and $244.46. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by nearly 10%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots noted a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average registered a sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average reported a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average showed a sell signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 164 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $232.87. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences moderate movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the overall risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.65 between its high and low, representing 1.57%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 2.01%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Apple, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $233.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the first day of January in the year 2025, Parek Kevin made an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December in the year 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted another insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Williams Jeffrey E. sold 42,939 shares of common stock. Continuing on the 16th of December, Williams Jeffrey E. also sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.983. In total, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock currently displays several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, our analysis suggests that Apple may experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, we find that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 15th of January, we anticipate that Apple will open at approximately 67 cents higher, starting at around $233.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.